All right, guys. So today, how we're talking about I made 3,000 USD from affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? A lot of you have been asking me questions like, how did I achieve this? What method do I use? Which platform am I using? What is my strategy, and so on like that. So, in this video, I will just explain to you what affiliate marketing is, how you can make money from affiliate marketing, what methods you can use, and which platform you can use for your affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing allows you to earn commission based payment from promoting quality products from top companies or top suppliers. We have many top companies that offers affiliation on their platform. We have Amazon's, we have AliExpress, we have SaaS Global Hub, and many other companies like that. Personally, with SaaS Global Hub, I made over 3,000 USD from them on Amazon and also on AliExpress. So I will explain to you how I made this money. So basically what I do is I go to the platform, I look at the product that have high ROI that will give me a very, very great conversion based on the energy we put in pushing those products. Now, what I do is I look at those products, I get them, I look at the quality around the product, what problem is this product actually solving, how many people can have interest in this product. I look at the niche of each of the products, and based on those niche, I target the people that will actually need them. I collect information about them. I send them newsletters. Write, I write about it on my blogs. Right. I use platforms like Medium. I use platforms like Quora, my personal blog websites, YouTube's, and of course with my WhatsApp community. Now, basically, how you do this is very, 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 very simple. When you get this product from their platform, you look at the quality of the product, then you generate your affiliate link for this product. When you generate affiliate link for this product, this affiliate link is going to be the one that you'll be using to track. The best thing is some of this platform offers you a very, very great insight into how your traffic is coming and how you're earning your income. So basically, I recommend these three top platforms. They're actually, giving a lot of, ROI based on effort you put into the product. So what are the different type of products you can promote? You can promote, different sorts of products. Personally, I love promoting software product because I am a full stack developer. So I like dealing with softwares and working with softwares a lot. But then you can recommend other products that you like. Maybe you can recommend products in solar energies, you can recommend products in e-commerce, clothing, textiles, anything you feel like, yes, it serves your audience, right? But then basically what I'm doing currently is I'm actually affiliating for software products. Now, so the platforms that I use social media a lot because there's a lot of free traffic that you can get from social media. This actually gives you insight about free traffic. You get traffic from unknown people. People, they just read about your content and be like, wow, this is exactly what I'm looking for. And also, you can target the right people also. On LinkedIn, you can reach out to people like the different companies, different brand owners, look at what they need, look at the information about them, and then present this product to them. And then when they use the affiliate link, they actually make commission from that affiliate link, making commissions from there. So you can actually look at the product that gives ROI, use that product, make sure that the product you're going to be affiliating for are product have quality, product people would actually need. And most important thing is you need to know the niche of the particular product you want to be affiliating for. This is going to be very, very important for you if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple if you follow these steps. Number one is you need to make sure that you're affiliating for products that have high quality. You're affiliating for products that people really need. You are targeting the right people that actually needs the product. You don't say you're sending an e-commerce platform to somebody that does not understand e-commerce platform, right? You cannot say you're sending baby products to somebody that does not have a baby, right? These are the things. You need to look at the people that actually need the product, target those people, present those products to them. Look at different scenarios that can help you out. These are the ways you can use to actually make reasonable income with affiliate marketing. So check my description, check my comments. You will see one of my affiliate links. You can click on it to see how this particular platforms works. And then if you like some of the products, you can actually purchase them and so on like that. And this that I just did is just part of the marketing strategy you can also use for your business. So let's print a lot of USD in 2026. Affiliate marketing is another way where you can earn money online. Take it serious. See you.